What is up, gang? Welcome back to another video here at Barber Department. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit the sub and the like button. Also, let me know what you think about this cut, if it was helpful or not. In this video, I'll be showing you how to do a medium drop fade. I'll begin by combing the hair down into its natural position. Then I'll proceed to make my bald line starting in front of the ear, pointing my guide down to create an angle. And at the back of the head, I'll make a point in the middle of the head where I'll make the other side meet. This will give this cut a nice contour where you can see the fade angle. Don't forget to take a moment to use a full shaver on your haircuts to make them pop out. My preference is the Babyliss FX shaver for its power and battery longevity. With my lever open, I'll go up 1 inch on my first guide, closing the lever 1/3, then another third after that. I'll come back and use my fade control technique to put some detail into this area. Fade control just sounds cool, but it just means knowing my lever by opening and closing to get the dark areas out to smooth out the fade as much as possible. You gotta remember, the darker the area is, the more you wanna close the lever. Now, if you're working on a tight space, make sure you utilize the corner of your blade as much as possible. In this next step, you'll see that I got my one guard with my lever open to make a 1/2 inch section. Then I'll come back under that with my 1/2 guard lever open to smooth out this section by closing and opening the lever, taking out any dark areas. Now this step applies if you use the 1/2 guard or 2 guard.